Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Palak, I am 30 years old and I am totally age positive. Age positive, not age positive. Age positive. Okay, so I'm starting this channel because I want to talk about things we usually don't talk about, especially with respect to aging. Nobody really told me like what it would be like to age. They just said like one day you'll be 30.
One day you'll be 30.
And you'll not know where your 20s went. Not that I really like miss my 20s because it was like chaotic. Not that I don't like chaos, but what I'm trying to say is I like myself and I like being 30. I like myself being 30. So, but there are a lot of issues that come with aging. And
So we'll talk about things that hit you when you hit 30.
So one of the things that I've been struggling with right now is so I have this B12 deficiency, and because of the deficiency I have like crazy hair fall. And if you can see, like, you know, like the hair looks fine otherwise, like curly and all, but they're like, you know, it's not the cut,
but the hair is becoming like, you know, it's just falling from, like, just getting like, how do I explain it? So it's just getting like this much smaller. Like, so many of my hair, like hair fall is like happening in a very weird fashion. Like, not just like normal hair fall, but my hair has become like thinner. Like, even though you see the quantity, like it used to be a little more crazier than this.
And it's become like and it's breaking away. Actually, it's breaking away from here also, you can see, like, you know. So, and yeah, so these are the things we don't talk about. We put, like, you know, some fancy hair products and move on with life. But this channel is all about preparing you to get ready for the life ahead and being totally age positive. So today I'm going to do unboxing of Mama Earth Anti-Hairfall kit. Okay, yeah, so this kit has these products, and their hairfall kit it's completely free of harmful chemicals, sulfate and parabens. So that is one of the reasons I ordered it. And it also says it's dermatologically tested, okay, and made for sensitive skin. What else is there? So it will promote hair growth and reduce hair fall is what the promise is. And it says a 6 weeks challenge. So I'm going to take the 6 weeks challenge, and this is not a paid video, just by the way, because I'm dealing with this problem so badly and I really wanted to do something. And also they have some introductory offer going on. So this is for 1596 and I bought, like, but the offer right now you can get it for 999, which I thought was a good price for 4 products altogether. Okay, so we were going through the products again. So there is a root restore oil, and then there is a happy heads shampoo, and then there is no more tangles conditioner. And the most interesting product to me here is Pro Growth Hair Tonic. So which you can actually, so basically you oil your hair and in 30 minutes you shampoo it, and then you just like detangle with the with the conditioner, and then you apply the Pro Growth Hair Tonic, okay. And there's a hair mask also, which you don't have to use it every time you shampoo, but you can use it sometimes, like, you know, as per however your hair feels. And I have just recently got to know about the CG method, or the curly girl method, which I think is really cool. I've always been like, you know, I've fought like my curls, and like, you know, half of the times if I have meetings, if I have to go out, meet somebody, like go to a party or anything, I just like straighten my hair because it's really the easiest thing to do. But because of that, my hair has become like really damaged and the quality has gone bad, really bad. And as you can see, so there are a lot of split ends and I don't know what to really do about it. So yeah, so because styling curly hair is a lot more difficult proposition, and you know, my hair has a mind of its own. So I don't know like when I'll have a good hair day, bad hair day. So I just straighten it and go out. And but because of the damage, I have decided now to just take care of my curly hair in my old age. And the trick with curly hair is you have to make sure that they're completely moisturized and hydrated. So if they're hydrated, the curls will have their own texture and they, like, you know, it will be more refined and not like rough. And in the next video I'll tell you like what to do with your hair on non-wash days. Like, you know, we all struggle with like one day the hair looks really beautiful after shampooing and like, you know, when you put so much effort, but what do you do like through, like, you know, you can't shampoo or wash your hair every day.
I'm going to like keep it curly.
And I'm also inspired by a lot of curly hair bloggers that I've been following these days. And soon I'll do a video on curly hair bloggers that I follow and I really like. So if you have curly hair and if you're raising, this channel is hashtag age positive, hashtag age boo, hashtag body positivity, hashtag.
If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. They said that you loved me all along. Now I see you dancing with some other man. I wanna see where this goes. I need a light to see home, and I want you to know, sunshine.